Hey guys, alright, I know it looks like I just took a shower, but I didn't. I actually just went into my kitchen and put my hair under the faucet and a little spray thing, and I just sprayed my hair because I'm going to like crimp it, but not like braid it. It's not a braid, but it's like a, yeah, I'll show you. And I need my hair wet, and I'm just going to sleep on it because I'm going to bed. So, I'm just going to brush it. Sorry. Okay. So my hair's all brushed. Now I'm going to do my whole hair. But I'm not going to film the whole thing. So take like a piece like this. And then another piece kind of like that. And then twist them. And just like keep twisting them until you get to the end. And now if you have layers, let me think what it was called. I'm sorry. If you have layers, just put a little thing here, and if you have layers, just do the rest with that one piece that's longer, and then put another thing there. It will make sense. So I'm just gonna put this on off. I know that's weird. And then, hold on. And like when you're in, like, twining them, also like shake it and just, as a whole, turn it. And I'll do 3 of these and connect them every time. I'm really sorry, I know it seems weird putting hair in my mouth, but it is like the only way. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, so you take 3, let's do 3 every thing. Take one of these, they're really big, I don't know why they're so big. Now, see how much I have like left? And then take 3 of them and just put 2 together and then put the other one by itself. And then twist it. All the way to the bottom. Almost to the bottom. Right, like. Alright, and that's it. I'm going to do the rest after I end this video. But when you wake up in the morning, they should be dry, and they come out really wavy, and they're really pretty. And if you don't like it, just straighten your hair. It works. It will go away. I did it the other day, and it looked really good. You guys will like it. I like it. So, that is pretty much it for this vlog. Bye.